Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recalibrate your August lock. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and install your August lock. How do you actually go ahead and recalibrate it? Now, I know I'm recording my phone, but in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the August app, then click on the gear icon on the bottom right, and then there's going to be lock settings underneath your lock. So click on lock settings, then scroll down and click on calibrate. So you do need to turn your Bluetooth on in order to calibrate it. But once you turn your Bluetooth on, underneath utilities, click on calibrate, and then simply follow the on-screen prompts in order to calibrate your August lock. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and recalibrate your August lock. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.